guys, I'm Laisha and welcome back to Jerry for Henshaw. Today I'm gonna open this scented orange thingy that is slime. I never had a slime video, so let's get over it. Okay, so this is how you remove it. First, you get the yellow thingy, put it at the side. There's like a white thingy. There, and this is the slime. Well, here is it. There. Kind of sticky, so my friend told me to put it like this, like stretch it, and then there. I'll show you. There. And it has a scent. Oh my gosh. Is there like a scent that is scent? Oh my gosh. Even it's so clear. I'm gonna put it in, you guys. Boop, 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 boop. Are you clear? Yay! Yay! You're with slime, see? Oh yes. You're getting covered. Bye! So baby, come me closer, every vaccine of your... That one so take out right. So, here's my slime. And I will eat ice candy later. I'll show you the video. Yes, it's so stretchy. Even it can roll. Look, I'm rolling it up. Look, watch. Oh, look at this. That's so cool. Okay, that's so cool. I had the space. And it's so clear. It so smells good. You have to get this. It's kind of sticky. A little bit. My phone just leave a message on the phone. Today I found I'm not doing anything. La ta ta ta. And my phone just leave a message on the phone. Today I found I'm not doing anything. Look at it. Link this bottom with a thumbs up. A slime's down? No. Thumbs up? Yes. It feels so sticky. See, look. That's so sticky. There. More. See? Right, I'm not that cut for my finger. So good. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. There's like a cold thing at your pinky. But just like the right amount. But this is the awesome amount. It's so big. message on the top there. So cool. Ah, that's so sticky. Can you hear that sound? Yeah, I think that's good. Ah, that's good. Kind of good. A little bit. It's like it's so stretchy. Guys, I know it looks like color yellow at the light from here, but when you go closer, it goes orange. Really, I'm not kidding. It is like if you come here to my house, if you know my house, and if you're near my house, good. My phone just boop 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 da da. Okay, here. I don't know, it's the time now, and so a joker. Okay, that's for the end. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, watch my other videos. I think it's somewhere here or there, I don't know. Just pick one. Here or there. Thumbs up, subscribe for me, and poosh.